We start from what is capacity. Capacity is the maximum amount of work that an operation can do over a specific period of time. There are two important questions while considering the capacity. The first is how much, and the second is how long. The capacity of an organization consists of many elements, such as facilities, equipment, human resource, and skill. There are three different types of capacity strategies. The first is long-term capacity planning strategy. It's changing the main production facilities. It can be adding new or deleting the old. For example, is new plant, factory, capital intensive machine, and etc. The second is medium-term capacity planning strategy. It happens between 2 until 18 months. Here, the output is changed by increasing number of machines or operating hours. The last is short-term capacity planning strategy. This happens over a short time. According to the change in demand, necessary adjustments are made. For example, hotel or restaurant. The objective of planning and control, the first is cost effectiveness. Is overcapacity will means high cost. The second, revenue generation. Capacity equals or higher than demand means no revenue loss. The third, schedule working capital. If inventory before demand, the fund is waste. The fourth, increase quality. By hiring new staff or new demand may affect the quality. The fifth is increase speed. By arranging surplus, the capacity queuing. The sixth, increase dependability. The more capacity closer to demand, less dependability for delivery. The last is increase flexibility. Volume flexibility will increase by extra capacity. The three important steps involved in capacity planning and control. The first is measure aggregate demand and supply. The second, identify the alternative capacity plans. The third, choose the most appropriate capacity plan.
Explain about measuring demand and capacity. On the capacity and demand, forecasting is important for planning and control. Why? Because the forecasting is without the forecasting or estimate of the future demand, it's impossible to how to we draw a plan to the future capacity. And in quality forecast, there are three the first is we should give the indication of potential or possible sequentially. This is we can give what the have potential in the future. And the second is forecasting should be expressed in the trend without useful for capacity planning. And in the second, we have to express in the time. For example, as mentioned, hour per year, specific and how many hours, and the third is so vehicle as possible. One forecast make a planning useless. So we have to make a precision high precision. Demand seasonality and supply seasonality. In the season, we have the demand seasonality means demand change according to the factor. There are climate, first, behavioral, political, financial, and social. The seasonality of supply is the input change according to different factors. For example, agricultural product supply is decided by climate. So the product of agricultural is decided by climate. Measuring capacity, we can down into ways. There are the first is output capacity measure how much from operation, and the last is input capacity measure how much from operation.
So
design capacity and effective capacity. Design capacity is the capacity of the process as it is designed to be. For example, when you buy a motorbike, the fuel efficiency promise will be higher than the reality. Effective capacity is the actual or useful capacity of operation. Different in design capacity and effective capacity is stopping. It will continue to achieve and it will continue to maintain. The next one is the alternative capacity plans. There are three alternative capacity plans. The first is managing demand. Managing demand is where demand is influenced or changed in order to bring it closer to capacity at any point in time. Two methods for this management demand is first, alternative product and service. Develop alternative product. For example, university hall used for wedding or conference, greeting card for all season. The second is yield management. Method to make sure that an operation maximizes the potential to generate profit. Example is airline and hotel by overbook, discount, free service time. The second is level capacity plan. Level capacity plan is where capacity is kept constant. The operation either tolerating the underuse of the capacity or its inability to serve all demand, or alternatively making to stop for future period when demand will exceed capacity. For example, aluminum production. The third is case demand plan. The case demand plan is where capacity is frequently adjusted in attempt to match it to demand at any point in time. This can be done a number of ways, such as using overtime, varying the size of the workforce, using part-time staff, or subcontracting. For example, customer service. The next is using a capacity planning and control approach. We have three capacity plans, and now the text is to choose the one that suits to the organization. Before adopting any plan, an organization must be aware of the present way. So the organization must be decide what change must be brought into the output rate and facilities. The next is the method to choose capacity planning and control approach. The first is cumulative representation. Cumulative representation is a graphical representation method used in capacity planning. In this method, demand and capacity are clearly indicate where operational manager can easily find out high demand, result and low, and when necessary operation change. So the ability of operation to store the finished good and as inventory is essential. The next is queuing theory. It is used in the case of service operation, perishable goods, because there is no change for stocking or inventory. In cumulative representation, the focus is to make sure the production is above the demand line. Here, demand is treated as it comes. Heavy queuing happens.
Manufacturing company or aircraft manufacturing company.
We choose agriculture because in this slide we explain about the demand seasonality and supply seasonality, and from agriculture we have one factor of supply seasonality is climate. for the agricultural, here we need.
Can you give example in manufacturing company, not agricultural? I'm not asking why.
Because for our group, agriculture is easier to explain because we already explained about the factor seasonality. One of the factor is climate, so there is a climate, so we choose agriculture.
It's easier.
More easier.
Now I'm asking, please give another example. If you can answer it now, you can draw your slide. There are a lot of agricultural.
The example is aircraft companies.
So what is the factors? Capacity planning. The company produce aircraft 2 months. 3 months or just based on the demands.
For the aircraft company, one of the factors to consider the capacity is financial. Sir. So
Financial.